can tell that you don't ever wanna trust again, cause every time you trusted, it just left you hurt. And I can tell that you don't ever wanna love again, cause when they leave, all you do is second guess your worth. Now you're choking on your tears and you can't breathe, cause all the pain is coming at you like a stampede. And even after all of that, you feel you can't leave. But Uncle changing who you are to fit a man's needs. It's not fair, no it isn't right, but you were meant to shine bright. Don't you dim your light, live your life, because you're perfect how you are, don't you change a thing. And baby, you were made a queen, but he ain't a king. So why you tripping when it ain't a thing? One day you'll find someone who will make it seem like every day's a dream. Just be honest with yourself that you're truly done, and make your ex-man jealous of who you become. Tell me who it is you are. You say you got a big old heart, but that it's filled with scars, and that you wanna die cause you're tired of the pain. I'll tell you who it is you are. I know you're a shining star, and that you've been fighting hard, and that you're gonna rise from the fire and the flame. See, I know who you won't be, at least not anymore with all that confidence. Girl, I can see the beauty that you don't see, and you deserve someone who doesn't call it quits, not someone who puts you down like you're incompetent. See, that's why you feel uncomfortable with compliments, cause you put up a wall, cause you don't know who's fake now. You don't know who's gonna build you up or make you break down, and you don't wanna risk it, you will not relive it. And that's why you built a barrier to make sure that nobody visits. And I realize it hurts, and that this time is worse, but I know you were meant for more, so just realize your worth. It's not determined by a man or even by the church, it's determined in yourself, so look inside and search. You got more power than you think, don't let a man define you, and I promise I will stand behind you. See, he was busy trying to burn you down with a couple matches, but you are like a phoenix rising from the ashes, and becoming a better you, someone that you never knew. Girl, it was something you were meant to do. All the pain and the flames made you stronger. Now whenever it gets in your way, you will conquer. All I speak is truth, really hope that you believe this. So when you're in the fire, just remember you're a phoenix. Tell me who it is you are. You say you got a big old heart, but that it's filled with scars, and that you wanna die cause you're tired of the pain. I'll tell you who it is you are. I know you're a shining star, and that you've been fighting hard, and that you're gonna rise from the fire and the flame.